Class 10 students, CBSE has released a major update for class 10th board examinations for science and social science papers. So in this video, we are going to understand what that notification says and what are the top 5 guidelines that have been shared for students who will be writing answers in their board exam this year. Let's try and understand the details of those guidelines in this video. So this is the notification that was released by CBSE. If you look at it carefully, it clearly mentions that for class 10 student board examination, this year CBSE had released sample papers that showed major changes in the pattern of science and social science paper. So you guys are clearly aware that when in July the sample papers were released, the science paper was divided into 3 sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Each section has been now devoted to one subject. Section A would be biology, B would be chemistry and C would be physics. Similarly, for social science, the question paper has been divided into 4 sections. Section A is for history, B is for geography, C is for political science and D is for economics. So what exactly is the notification pointing out for you guys? The notification is talking about 5 major guidelines that have been shared regarding how to write answers. अगर आप अपने प्री बोर्ड्स देकर फ्री हुए हो तो आपको पता होगा how important it is to present your paper correctly, and this information is very crucial to understand how marks would be allotted for each section separately. So let's understand one by one what are the key guidelines. The first one says that the students will divide the answer book in 3 sections for science and in 4 sections for social science. तो अभी तक आप लोग जब sequence कर रहे थे, while writing the answers, you could choose which question to answer when. However, you have to understand that each answer sheet first has to be divided into sections. Science में आप 3 sections बनाओगे, social science में आप 4 sections बनाओगे in your answer sheet. Point number 2 says replies of questions, which means answer to questions, are to be written only within the space identified for the concerned section. मतलब section A के सारे answers section A में ही लिखे होने चाहिए. Same goes for B, C and D. No answer should be written in any other section. That is what point number 3 says. Reply of a section should not be written or mixed in any other section. So गलती से अब अगर आप किसी आंसर को किसी wrong section में लिख देते हो, what will be the penalization? Marking में क्या effect आएगा वो भी समझ लेते हैं. Point number 4 says if replies are mixed, these will not be evaluated and no marks will be awarded. Sadly, students, you have to be very careful here. If by mistake you write an answer to a question in an incorrect section, then CBSE has made it very clear no marks will be awarded for such questions if they are not answered in the appropriate section. उन्होंने बहुत clearly specify कर दिया है such mistakes will not be accepted and addressed even during verification or re-evaluation after the results are declared. तो अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कोई बात नहीं, जल्दी में मुझसे मिस हो गया, मैंने बाद में किसी सेक्शन में लिख दिया, please remember even for re-evaluation such mistakes will not be addressed. So you have to be very careful here that when you are solving your mock papers, when you are solving your sample papers, this should be your habit now. Start by dividing the answer sheet into 3 sections for science, 4 sections for social science. अपने आप को mentally prepare करो. Every answer has to be written in a section-wise manner. Do not mix up sections if you don't want to lose that mark. So I hope these guidelines are clear. Don't forget to prepare accordingly. All the best for your exams. Thank you so much for watching.